Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Cheesy omelette, a simple, comforting recipe that never fails to hit the spot. This quick and easy dish turns everyday ingredients into a fluffy, flavor-packed omelette that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick anytime meal. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for cheese omelette. This omelette is loaded with sautéed onions and tomatoes, a hint of green chili, fresh herbs, and a generous layer of cheese that gives you that perfect creamy texture in every bite. It's an easy, flavorful dish and a great addition to your Goan cuisine. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious cheese omelette. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. For whisking the eggs, take 2 eggs, 1 pinch of black pepper powder, 2 pinches of salt, 2 tablespoons of pre-boiled milk. For cooking, 1 small onion, cut it fine, 1 medium-sized tomato, cut it fine, half capsicum, cut it fine, half green chili, cut it fine, small bunch of parsley, or you can use coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Cut them fine. 60 grams of cheese. We have used a combination of cheddar and mozzarella. You can also use sliced cheese or any other type of cheese which you prefer. 1 pinch of black pepper powder. 2 pinches of salt. Step 2. Preparing the onion-tomato mixture. On medium heat, in an open, thick-bottom frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onion. Stir it nicely. After 2 minutes, add the finely cut tomato. Stir everything properly. After around 2 minutes, add the green chili. Also add the capsicum pieces. Stir everything nicely. After around a minute, add 1 pinch of black pepper powder. Add 2 pinches of salt. Mix everything nicely. After around a minute, add the finely cut parsley, or if you are using coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything properly. Once done, remove the onion-tomato mixture and keep it aside. Step 3. Preparing the cheese omelette. In a mixing bowl, add the 2 eggs. Whisk them nicely. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Now add 2 pinches of salt. Add 1 pinch of black pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Whisk the egg mixture for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes nice and foamy. Egg mixture is ready. On medium-low heat, in an open, thick-bottom frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. You can also use butter if you prefer. Once the oil is hot, pour the egg mixture in the pan. Spread the egg mixture evenly around the pan. Push the edges towards the center with a spatula so that the uncooked runny egg can flow towards the sides of the pan to set.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Repeat until no visible liquid egg remains. Then add the onion tomato mixture on one half of the egg mixture. Spread the onion tomato mixture evenly. Now place the grated cheese evenly on the onion tomato mixture. You can even use cheese slices if you prefer. Once the bottom of the egg is almost cooked, carefully turn the half of the egg and set it on top of the other half with the cheese mixture. Garnish the omelette with more grated cheese. Delicious cheese omelette is ready. Enjoy the cheese omelette hot with or without some bread. Do write a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. Also let us know which other recipes you would like to watch. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.